The time has come. Beautylish Lucky Bag 2022. That's what you're here to see? Then you're in the right place. Oh my goodness. So I got a little story to tell. By the way, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. So some of you may be wondering, what is a lucky bag? The lucky bag is part of the Japanese New Year, and it's supposed to bring you luck. Maybe part of the tradition is you give someone a bag. I don't know. I just hope I'm lucky and get at least $150 worth of good products. Once a year on, what was it, the day after Christmas. And these suckers, let me tell you, they sell out like legit 5 minutes. I wasn't even aware of them last year, and I learned about them when one of my subscribers was like, are you going to unbox the lucky bag? And I'm like, what's that? And so I was in front of my computer, ready for them to go on sale. You couldn't really buy them online, so I frantically switched over to my phone. There was like an app. Anyways, here's the rub. They have two size boxes. They have a $75 box and a $150 box. What I really wasn't aware of or paying attention of or didn't really know is the $150 box is called the XL, or the extra large bag. I'm panicking because I know these sell out. I'm getting on. I want to quickly just make my purchase, get on with my day. And I see something that I wasn't aware of that says light medium and then something that's like medium dark. I'm like, well, hey, it's a random mystery box that's a little pricey. Sure, I want to pick the one where it's light medium because I'm very fair. My brain is focused in on $150. So I click light medium $150. Put it in the cart, make my purchase. I'm all excited. And then somewhere, maybe when it was sending me the email or the receipt after I'd hit send, it's like, thank you for your donation. I'm like, what? So they also have an offer for $150. That's key. Where you buy the $75 bag for yourself and they take the other $75 donation and purchase another bag on your behalf to send to a women's shelter, hospital, some kind of charity, and I'll link on the screen what the charity is, which is great. I'm all for charity. However, I like to donate to charity on my time and when I'm aware I'm doing so. And what I'm saying is going to make me sound like a horrible person, but I thought I was spending $150 on selfishly myself for makeup to get the big extra large box. But what I ended up doing accidentally was spending $150 on the small box. So karma, are you out there? Because I did a good thing. I don't know. Oh, I was so frustrated. Like the second you click and there's no backsies, there's no returns. So then I scramble. I'm like, ooh, let me set up another email account and try to log in and or account on their side and use a different email to get the actual XL bag, which I would have ended up spending like $300. And then it's like literally the time it took me, which was 5 minutes from when I first logged on, sold out. Sold out. So story time's over. Let's dive in and make sure that the smaller $75 box is worth $150. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh, this is beautiful. Smells a little funky. It smells like new handbags or shoes. Do I have a handbag? Oh, do I have maybe a I'm going to stop speculating. Okay, so underneath that beautiful packaging is some black paper. And then here is $150 worth of products to normal, unconfused, non-blondes. This would have cost you $75. All right, I took everything out of the packaging. I have it in front of me. I haven't really looked, but I did count. There are 6 items, and one already caught my eyes being a not gonna lie. All right, so we have from a brand called KITSCH. It's a towel scrunchies for your sweaty, salty, wet hair. Who has salty hair? I guess that's if you're sweaty. I don't even want to take it out because I have short hair. There's a picture of what you can do. It's like, I guess, a scrunchie just made out of towel stuff. Oh, like socks at Christmas. Okay, next item is very heavy. Okay, this is from Good Molecules. I was hoping not to get products. I love their products, but since I made the Boo Boo, this is a very affordable brand. What is this? Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel. My little eye shift annoyance look. I don't like the scent of rose, so I hope Rosewater doesn't imply scent of rose. Okay, so this is a real glass bottle. Comes with a pump. It is very gel-like. Let me see if I can... Okay, it seems to be glued on. I don't know. It won't unscrew. Someone please leave me a comment and let me know if Rosewater actually smells like roses. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. All right. 0 for 2. What's the next item? We have, I don't know. Are you going to be a brow product just because I don't use brow products? Ooh, I see the name Wayne Goss. So now all of a sudden perked up. This is the Essential Eye Kohl Pencil. Okay. Yes, I am one to use eyeliner quite heavily. Please be a shade I will enjoy. Ooh, looks to be black. Everyone else is probably like, how boring. I love and enjoy wearing black. This is an Obsidian. Okay, so we're going old school here. Wooden pencil, sharpener needed. All right. I'm just going to make a snarky comment like, first two, not so good. This is probably like $10, but it's Wayne Goss, so it's probably $20. But you know what I mean. It's not like I need my $150 back in value here. All right. Next item reminds me of packaging from Tarte. Are you from Tarte? What is this? No. Ooh, by Terry. Never used the product. Only know that her stuff is bougie pricey. What is this? Twist on Lip. Dual lipstick. Plump and Contour in the shade number 6, Nude and Burgundy, which confuses me, but I guess if it's dual. Okay, one thing, where's the dual? Oh, interesting. Okay, so yes to, so I've never seen a product like this. I don't know if it'll pick up. So it's literally kind of 2/3 the nude, 1/3 the burgundy, all in one thing here. For some reason when they said dual, I thought, oh, one end and one end. Never seen people smush together before. That would seem quite, take some skill not to mess up. And in the container, it looked 2/3, 1/3, but on the swatch, it looks more 60-40, almost 50-50. Should I do a try on? I feel like I'm going to mess up my look, but all right, here we go. It's like a crapshoot getting the burgundy on the actual place where your lip liner should go. Not a fan. In concept, yes, I could see somebody in a boardroom and everyone's like, yes. But when it comes to applying it, that looks a hot mess. Un momento while I fix it. All right, that took some effort. Why do I feel like I got the unlucky bag? All right, next item is black in plastic. Don't know what this is, but I'm hoping it's brushes. I don't know. There's no branding. Okay, this is the culprit of the stinkiness. This here is a brush set from Units. Okay, so you get 5 eyeshadow brushes and this little case. These are quite lightweight. The ferrule feels like metal. The handle feels plastic. And these are definitely synthetic. More dense, which isn't a bad thing, just they feel more dense. Super strong scent. Strong scent of chemicals, plastic, almost like when you order something off Amazon, it comes from China. It has that weird, I don't know, warehouse funky came from China scent. But I bet if these aired out, they will be fine. On to the last item. My solace is, those are good, but they don't feel like it's going to cover the price of the box. All right, this last guy I think will better be, I hope it's a palette, an eyeshadow palette. I hope it's from a brand I've heard of. And in a color story, I will wear and enjoy. Otherwise, this has got to be one of the worst lucky bags. And the worst luck that I spent $150 on a $75 bag. All right, what is this? We have from the brand JOUER Essential Matte and Shimmer. My little JOUER's nice. I did a mystery box from them, but it's not like, ooh, Pat McGrath, Wayne Goss, someone I've never tried before. But let's see what the palette's all about. Okay. Thank goodness it's at least a color story I will use. If you're new, welcome. I am a basic Ann. I love a good nude. I am adventuring into more adventurous colors lately, but this, where others might be like, boring, this I'm like, yes. I don't know how much this costs, but I highly doubt it will cover the $150. Well, it might. I don't know. All right, let me recap everything that came in this $75 bag. I got a cleansing gel from Good Molecules, a Kohl eye pencil from Wayne Goss, an interesting lip pencil from By Terry, a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set from Items, some towel scrunchies from KITSCH, and a 12-pan eyeshadow palette from JOUER. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I feel like I enjoy my BoxyCharm and Ipsy about the same as this box. I don't know. I'm going to need to do some research. I bet some of these are pricey. This is probably $40, $50. Just the name By Terry, this would probably be, I don't know, $35, $40. Wayne Goss, again, I don't know, $20. I mean, these feel like I could get something similar off of Amazon. Will I use them? Yeah. Will I enjoy them? It's just, I feel like $75 is just going to cover what I got. However, remember, I spent $150. I don't know. Let me know. Am I being over disappointed? It's hard. Like, how would I feel had I only spent $75? Because the $150 just sticking in my craw. I'm going to list the MSRP total. I'll figure out in editing how much everything truly is worth. Leave me your thoughts, comments. Did you get a lucky bag? I'm sure you got way better than I got. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. Apologies if I'm a little, but you would be too if you accidentally paid double for something. And then when you get the something, it's a little, and let me know if you don't find it a little, I kind of did. I mean, it's good. It's good. All right. But I don't know. I thought I'd be more wowed. I really wanted something from Sonia G. I wanted something from Pat. I wanted stuff that I normally don't get. Products from brands that I normally don't purchase because, frankly, they're a little outside of my price point. Although, By Terry and Wayne Goss, I got something. Just what I got wasn't what I wanted a brush from Wayne Goss. And By Terry, what can I get from By Terry? I don't know. I guess the lip product was just a weird one. It was interesting. All right, I'm rambling. When I ramble, it's time to shut the video down. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos after you subscribe. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. All right, thanks everyone.